Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common question that many Laravel developers face when working with pagination. How can I get the total count of items in the first query when using Laravel's pagination? This is an important topic because understanding how pagination works in Laravel can help you optimize your database queries and improve the performance of your application. In this video, we'll dive into the details of how Laravel's pagination system works and provide a clear explanation of how to get the total count of items in the first query. So, let's start by understanding how Laravel's pagination system works. When you use the paginate method on an Eloquent query builder or a collection, Laravel automatically splits your results into pages and provides metadata about the pagination, such as the current page number and the total count of items. However, by default, Laravel doesn't retrieve the total count of items in the first query. Instead, it makes a separate query to get the count. This can lead to performance issues if you're dealing with large datasets. The reason for this behavior is that getting the total count of items requires executing a separate count query on the database. To avoid this extra query, Laravel provides a feature called cursor pagination, which allows you to paginate results using a cursor instead of an offset. But what if you need to get the total count of items in the first query? One approach is to use the withCount method provided by Eloquent. This method allows you to retrieve related models and their counts in a single query. Here's how it works when you call withCount on an Eloquent query builder. Laravel adds a subquery that retrieves the count of related models. For example, if you have a posts table with a comments relationship, calling withCount comments on a post model would retrieve the count of comments for each post in the same query. Another approach is to use a package like Laravel paginate withCount. This package provides a custom pagination class that retrieves the total count of items in the first query using a subquery. To summarize, here are the key points discussed in this video. Laravel's pagination system doesn't retrieve the total count of items in the first query by default. You can use the withCount method provided by Eloquent to retrieve related models and their counts in a single query. Alternatively, you can use a package like Laravel paginate withCount to retrieve the total count of items in the first query using a subquery. That's it for today's video on Laravel pagination count in the first query. I hope this explanation helped clarify things for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Laravel tutorials and explanations. We'll catch you in the next one. Hello?